Have an amazing idea for your page but no clue where to start? With Foxify's AI layout generator, you can turn simple prompts into complete page layouts in seconds. No design skills needed, just describe your vision and let AI build the perfect structure for you. First of all, go to Pages Manager and click Create Page. Pick a page type, then select Build with AI and click Describe your page. Enter your idea, including the layout, sections, and keys elements. Click Analyze with AI and Foxify will instantly generate a custom wireframe based on your description, giving you proven inspiration and helping you build your page faster than ever. It shows you how the AI understood your prompt, including the page type, product category, design style, and the key features it recommends. You'll also receive a recommended sections list and the names of the built-in Foxify sections used in your layout. Want changes? Click Edit and then Reanalyze. Rearrange or hide sections anytime, or use the shuffle icon to refresh the design for new styles. And guess what? The design is fully responsive right out of the box. You can easily switch to tablet view or mobile view to check how your page looks across devices. Once you're happy with the result, just click Apply Build to use the template created by AI and customize your page. Now, it's time to customize your page. Let's upload your images and start designing your page using Foxify's powerful elements. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful page with AI and Foxify all in just minutes. Instead of starting from scratch, the AI gives you a layout idea you can build on, making everything faster and so much easier. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and check out our other guides. Thanks for watching.